Hello YouTubers, subscribers and friends, welcome to my channel. Check this out, man. It looks like it's going to rain. Over here at the Master Gardens, but they got the front gate locked, but I'm still gonna go walk through there. Let's get a shot of this bike path here. I've never been on this bike path. Look at the mountains. Ooh, was that just lightning I just saw? It's the Santa Catalina Mountains. They got all these flowers there. How tall they are. It's been a while since I've been here. These things are like 6-7 feet tall. Hollyhocks? I saw mine on the road when I was driving by. Bees flying around it. Hollyhocks. Yeah, so when you're driving on the road right there, that's Campbell. You see all these beautiful flowers. So freaking tall. It's been like what? I don't know, what, a year since I've been here? Maybe less. Yeah, if you live in Tucson, this is Campbell. That's Trader Joe's, and just right across the bridge is River Road. Let's go walk around and see if we can see some more flowers. Look at this old tractor. I see you, Mr. Lizard. Look at him. He's running in front of me. Trying to get on my vlog, Lizard. Let's go look at the other flowers. It's actually closed today. Can't get your car in, but you can walk in. Look at that mural. I like when I go somewhere and then I don't come back for like 6, 8, 10 months, a year, and then I come and look at all the changes. They take really good care of this garden here. These are all volunteers that work here. My son was telling me one time, I think you're a bird watcher, Dad, but I look at all kinds of freaking animals. Look at like that big lizard right there. See him? He's a big one. Looks like he got a bow tie on. You talking to me? I'm about 10 feet away from him. Doing push-ups. Call him Arnold. Is it me, or did it look like he just added color to himself? Other people walking around. Let's go look over here. Wildlife habitat, native grasses. Pomegranate tree right there. Got pomegranates growing on it. Baby pomegranates. Hey. These little hidden gems throughout the city of Tucson. They're just hidden in little pockets of the city. Little peaceful garden. It smells so nice over here. Go this way. So many lizards. Look at this aloe vera. I think that's an aloe vera. Agave Americana. Here, I'll just show you. That's what that's called. And there's another big one over here with these ocotillos. Look at that. I think the rain is coming. Go walk that way. So I guess I'm a bird watcher, animal watcher, horticulture. I love it all, man. I just love nature. I love taking time out to take in the beauty of Mother Nature. I was just on my way home and I looked over, and I knew this area was here, but I looked over and I saw how tall those plants were, and I was like, oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to pull in here and check this out. But like I said, they got the gate closed down there. You can't pull in here, but there's a parking spot there to where you could walk on the bike path. And I seen a bunch of people in here walking around, so I'm like, let's go check it out. Just look at these flowers. There's a bee on that one right there. The bee went inside of there. He's working. Working a little so hard, little bee there, getting all kinds of pollen on you. Yo, don't work too hard, bee. Yeah, so, you know, I'm always talking about, man, always take time out to take in the roses. Like right here. Look at them roses. Look at them clouds coming in. This is some kind of fruit. I don't know what this is. But it's like a tree. It's so peaceful over here. Check this out. This is something that you would see like on Star Trek or something. Alright, just look at that. No idea what this is. Alright, no more flowers down there. Look at that crazy clouds. I'm seeing lightning over there. It's some crazy weather in this city, man. These beautiful friggin' ironwood trees. These are awesome. Called the Shade Oasis over here. Man, it smells incredible. All different kinds of minty smells, gigantic lizards. The only thing it's missing here are wind chimes. I don't see any wind chimes anywhere. It smells incredible here though. I can just imagine what it smells like after it rains. This place is called the Master Gardener Demonstration Gardens, and like I said, they all have volunteers that work here. There's a baby rabbit. Baby rabbit just ran through there. He's in that bush over there. Little conejo. That's how you say rabbit in Spanish. Arizona rosewood. Man, yeah, these leaves smell incredible. Man, these lizards are just freaking me out. Look at this hairy cactus here. Reminds me of Cousin Ed from the Addams Family. Rain's coming. At least here in Tucson, not up by my house though. There goes a bigger rabbit right there. Oh, let's look at this. This thing looks so freaking bright over here. Look at them flowers. Alright, here's another. It's a butterfly right there. He was just floating around right above my head. It's another little path you can take in here. Oh. It's pretty cool. That is one big freaking... Look at, there's a little rabbit right there. Oh, he's running that way. Going, there he goes. Look how big this sucker is. I'm supposed to be picking up my wife. That's probably her. Where are you at? I got sidetracked. It's beautiful. Alright, well, I gotta head back to my car. This was a nice little break. Get out of traffic for a little bit, take in some nature. Man, that rain looks like it's coming in Tucson. I gotta go that way. There ain't no rain that way. Anyways, if you like these kind of videos, something smells good right over here. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. It don't cost you anything. It's for free. Like always, be kind to people. Treat people the way you would like to be treated. Thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. And if the good Lord willing and the creeks don't rise, I'll see you guys in the next video.